In this video, we'll fill out a Kansas last will and testament, step by step, with a sample person, Anna Baker. You can fill yours out free at FormsPal. This is general information, not legal advice. Start with you, the person making the will, the testator. Type your full name at the top, then in the opening line, your name again, the city where you live, and your county. Anna Baker lives in Wichita, Sedgwick County. Next, your family. Note whether you are married and name your spouse, here, Ben Carter. Then list your children with their birth dates. Anna Baker has one daughter, Maria Baker. Now the heart of the will, who inherits. Name each beneficiary and what they receive. Anna Baker leaves her estate to her daughter, Maria Baker. If you have minor children, name a guardian to raise them if both parents are gone, and an alternate. Anna Baker names Ben Carter, then Carlos Diaz as backup. Choose your executor, the person who carries out your wishes, here, Carlos Diaz, with their address, and name an alternate too. To make your will valid, there are several requirements you'll need to follow carefully. First, your will must be in writing. An oral will is generally not allowed, with only a narrow exception provided by statute. Next, the will must be signed at the end by you, the person making the will. Someone else may sign it for you, but only in your presence. Last, sign your will. Print your name, then the city and state where you sign. Your witnesses sign too. Here, Devin Lee and Priya Shah. That is the whole will. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com, then print and sign it the way Kansas requires. This is general information, not legal advice.